Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine x squared. And the second one, sine 2x, that is about 2 sine 8 cosine 8. We see that sine x, that is about sine of number 2 multiplied by x over 2. Cosine x, that is about number 2 multiplied by x over 2. So this one we change by this one. So that is about 2 sine of x over 2 cosine of x over 2. This one we change by this one. And we have 1 minus 2 sine of x over 2. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. Sine x over 2 sine x over 2 we cancel. Now about x I will put in here. Next, I will multiply by 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 in here. Next, we have the formula. So when s approaches to number 0, sine of as over as equals to number 1. That is about sine x over 2 over s over 2. So this one equals to number 1 because capital A, that is about 1 over 2 in here. So we put number 0 on here. This one we calculate and we have negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.